Hello, boys of class 7. Welcome you again on another online class of agriculture. Hope that all of you are fine with your family, and hope that you have already realized all the lectures I have given on agriculture. If there is any problem, please let us discuss on comment section without any hesitation. Okay, boys. Today I will start another lecture on God, that is about the diseases. Today's topic is prevention of God diseases. So let's start our session for today. First of all, let us know diseases of gods. Actually, gods have it to stay neat and clean. It should be confirmed that light and air would comes in God's house, as gods like dry and high land for living, because it shouldn't be catch cold to them. For that, it should be kept in mind that God shouldn't catch cold, because from cold God can be infected by complicated diseases like pneumonia. Once a God is infected by pneumonia, it should be very harmful or very bad for the god. For this, in winter season, to protect the gods from cold, bed of gourds should be made with straw or hay on the floor, and on the walls of house, sack of gunny should be hung. Now, let us know the reasons of god diseases. There are few reasons for which gods are infected by diseases. They are virus related diseases, that means virus is one of the reason, and some diseases like PPR, pneumonia are virus related disease, or we call viral diseases. Bacteria related diseases, that means bacteria is responsible for these diseases, goiter, diarrhea, etc. And these diseases are known as bacterial diseases. And last but not least, parasite related disease, that is louse, atali, tapeworm, these kind of diseases are occurring for parasitic living bodies. Now let us know about parasite related diseases, because virus and bacteria diseases already we have learned in class 6. So parasite disease, gods are infected by two types of parasites. Actually, parasites are of two types. One is external, another one is internal. Outside, that means external parasite like louse, atali, mite develop in the skin. Inside, that means internal parasite like tapeworm, roundworm and leafworm attack goats mostly. These worms take part in nutrition of goat, and some of worm suck blood from god's body. Besides this, gods are suffering from blood dysentery for protozoa. We already discussed about parasitic diseases of poultry. This is almost the same one. Now let us discuss on symptoms of infected gods. An infected god can be easily identified by observing some symptoms when they are visible. The common symptoms are temperature body will increase, bristles look straight, food intake and rumination cease, that means decrease, dozes and reclines on the floor, tear and saliva from mouth comes out. If these things are visible on God, that means you have to think God is infected. Now let us know the preventive measures of God. Now, can you say why we have to take preventive measures? Because viral diseases can cause death to goat. Similarly, bacterial diseases also, but virus disease there are no treatment, but some bacterial disease we have some treatment. So if we want to keep goat alive and fit fine, then we have to take some preventive measures, because prevention is better than cure. So if there is prevention measures taken, then it is rarely that there should be any diseases of goat. Now let us see the preventive measures. Pen and adjacent areas should be kept neat and clean. Vaccination and helminthicid should be given timely. Goats should be provided with fresh foods. Goats should be supplied with pure water and balanced food. Arrangements should make to keep dry of the floor of God's house. And last but not least, goats' excrete should be preserved at a distance from farm. Then also, if there is any disease breaks out in the farmhouse of goats, then we can take some steps like observe the sick goat and isolate from other goat and provide medication to that goat. Then arrange pathological test if needed of fakes and urine. And if any god is dead, then the dead body should be buried deep in the ground. It is very important to consult with veterinarian for diseases of goats. So boys, that is all about diseases of goats and prevention measures of goats. So up to this, from this chapter, we have finished all the topics. On one lesson is left, that is about agricultural account, how to keep it. Already it has been discussed this part, this kind of topic in second term syllabus. Then also I will discuss it on the next class. Till then, you go through these lessons, and if there is any problem, let me know. Okay boys, stay fine at home and keep studying. Okay, bye for today.